Hello, my name is Colin Darcell. I'm the president of Maratek Environmental. I'd like to thank you for taking a few minutes to listen to our presentation about the revolutionary Solvent Saver solvent recycling unit that we are now marketing across North America and the world. Are you watching your profits going to waste? The solution is clear. That's the code name or the tagline we're using for our product, because it really is a pretty clear decision to reduce your waste wherever you can, which is best for the environment, but more importantly, it's great for your bottom line and productivity will go nowhere but up. Specifically, our system will allow you to reuse and recycle over 95% of your waste solvent into reusable solvent, and even the water is reusable right back to your presses. A few years ago, we had the honor of getting the GATF Intertech Award for our revolutionary and safe low-temperature distillation equipment that even to this date is the only technology on the market that uses some of the features that we use. In the end, we get a virtually indistinguishable product from virgin product that saves you tens of thousands of dollars a year in solvent purchases and waste disposal. It's a proven technology now. We have over 200 printers in the US using our product, and as those jars show there, it turns waste solvent into recovered and recycled solvent, specifically your blanket and roller washes from the presses. And the typical ROI has a savings of over $40,000 per year with an ROI of under 12 months. As I said, it was award-winning, and particularly it was award-winning because of the low-temperature vacuum-assisted distillation. And this is about the only technology on the market that has these features, and it's designed, the solvent recycling is designed specifically for the printing solvent that has the water waste, which is very different from other recyclers that don't have the water to deal with. So it produces a better quality solvent, and it's much safer because the temperature is much lower. And many users have coined the phrase that this is the best investment they've ever made for cost reduction and the added benefit of environmental protection improvement as well. So as I said, it's a green investment. Allows you to do a lot of green marketing initiatives, ISO 14000. There's a new program in the US called Sustainable Green Printers, and that specifies solvent recycling as a requirement. There's obviously the FSC printers. All these things are important to you as printers to improve your carbon footprints, your environmental performance, but most importantly to market that to your end customers. To do a sample savings calculation, there's 5 simple questions. We need to know the volume of solvent purchased each month, the cost per gallon of virgin solvent, the ratio of water to solvent, and the volume and the cost of disposing of the blanket water. And now we'll do a typical ROI calculation for you. Assuming you gave the numbers in red there that show the number of gallons and the costs and the ratio of water to solvent, we can then do a calculation for you customized to your specific facility data. With respect to the solvent savings, the system can easily save 80%. Often it saves 90% of the monthly purchase of solvents. So that would amount to 320 gallons at $9 a gallon, which is $2,880 saved each month. With respect to the savings with the hazardous waste solvent that doesn't have to be shipped out anymore, you'd have a total of 640 gallons of waste because of the 50% ratio that your presses mix the water with the solvent. That would equate to almost $2,000 a month of hauling and hazardous waste disposal costs. Using a conservative estimate of 90% reduction in those costs, you'd have a monthly savings of over $1,700 per month. That would equate to a total savings when you add the waste reduction savings to the solvent reduction savings of over $55,000 per year. And the capital cost for a unit for this size of volume is just over $44,000. We do, by the way, have smaller and larger units. And the payback on a simple payback calculation method would be just 10 months. That equates to well over $250,000 saved over 5 years, and that's a lot of printing that you'd have to do to make that kind of money over a 5-year period. And there are several other things that you should take into consideration if you're looking to adopt this technology in your facility. The cost of solvent's going up, and so is the waste disposal cost over time. Solvent, as you know, is linked to the oil prices, so they'll be going up in most likelihood. Waste disposal is getting tougher and tougher and more costly. Internal EPA reporting is increasing, as well as the liability for off-site disposal. And there's more and more fines that we're seeing happen out there. So all of these will help improve the ROI and make more of a savings for you in the future. But one of the most important benefits that our users are talking about to us all the time is the EPA reporting and VOC reduction. It allows you to reduce your small quantity to a small quantity generator status and reduce your VOCs by over 90%. Which is less paperwork, less cost, and get off the radar screen with the EPA. In fact, this is one of the most important benefits reported by our over 200 users, even beyond the cost savings. In summary then, if you adopt this recycling technology in your facility, you'll reduce your solvent purchases by 80%, your waste hauled by 90%, your VOC and generator status by over 90%, and it's also a great environmental and green marketing program. You can add it to your websites. You can link it to other websites that are environmental like ours or others. You can do plant tours showing off your recycling equipment. You can try and get environmental awards locally yourselves. There's lots of ways to do that. All kinds of green marketing things you can do. As far as next steps go, we'd be more than happy to do a free return on investment calculation for you and your facility. Just call the number here at 800-667-6272. We'd also like you at this moment to watch a short video with one of our customers, HM Graphics. They're based in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Keith Carter there will be doing this video. And just click below to this YouTube link right on the PowerPoint here, and it'll go right to the video. Okay, in summary now, thanks again for watching. If you have any more information requests or anything at all, you can either call us or go to maratek.com, and there's a link here to our website as well. Thanks again.